y'all, I'm back with another video, another unboxing of a wig, stuff I got. Basically, this video is about stuff I got for Christmas. So, y'all want to see what I got for Christmas and stuff like that. First, let me show you what my sister brought me. She brought me 2 gifts. Thank you. Show that. So, got me a wig stand so I can do my wigs on them. She got this from Amazon. Let's see what's in it. What all comes with it. Okay. I got the mannequin head. See? I got the stand that it comes on. But they packaging is cute. They packaging is real cute. It all come with a little bag. I got this bag to carry it in when I want to take it places with me. It's a Neverland Beauty and Healthy. Let's see what else. Oh, it comes with a lot of stuff in here. Oh shit. Oh, I ain't even cuss, but yeah. I guess it's a pamphlet. I guess. But you got a whole kit with needles, thread. I got a... What kind of cap this is? New fashion. See-through cap. I ain't never used that one, so we ain't even gonna talk about that one. That look like a gnat. This just like this one look like a gnat. Oh, oh, I know what these are. Like, if you want to make your own wig and stuff, they sent you like the little caps for them. Oh, okay. Now I know. Okay. That's nice. What else in here? This in an edge brush. That's it. That's it. That's in there. That's in the box. Put all this stuff back. What the hell? Oh, that's a big ass head. Wig. She got me a wig from Amazon. And this is 28 inches. Body wave. 28 inches body wave. I'm going to show you their packaging. They gave me lashes. Y'all don't mind my nails. I'm going to be getting them redone soon. A wig cap. A pamphlet of their person I ordered the wig from. See? Yep, 28 inches straight. So, it's a straight wig. I thought it was body wig. My bad. It's straight. So, this is the frontal. Take the net off. Oh, shit. Hold up. It's caught up in something. But now, come here, let me put this on your head. Come on, friend. Oh my gosh. This is... Oh, my sister did her thing with this one. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. This right here is soft. It is so soft. I'm gonna have to put a band on this one too. Cause this how it looks in the inside. This is the lace. This is so, and it smells good. Yes. A bust down one. Well, that's another gift. And here's another gift I got for Christmas. This came from my boyfriend, Jeremy. Yes, it's a cute pocketbook. A pocketbook I always wanted. The other one that y'all not gonna see on camera yet till I get it. My homegirl, she brought me a Michael Kors pocketbook also, which is, it's a black one. That one is like a tan, like a whitish tan. Huh? Yeah. Oh, I gotta go get the other stuff that I got in the kitchen. My mama brought me, she brought me an air fryer. She brought me an air fryer. I had to think about it. She brought me an air fryer for Christmas. She brought me an air fryer for Christmas, which I will be using very soon. Very, very soon. Last but not least, I ain't even opened this yet. My friend Bernard brought me this. Let's see. It feels like money. It feels like money. Ooh, different nose rings. These are pretty. Oh my god, those are pretty. Oh, they come in different cases. I ain't never worn the hoop ones. This one. And this one. Thank you. These are pretty. So yeah, that's all the gifts that I had got for Christmas. That's all the gifts I have got. But hope y'all guys like, comment, and subscribe. This was just a short, sweet, and simple video. Nothing special about it. I was just not opening, but showing y'all what I had got for Christmas. Especially the wig I had got, because I really like it. So yes, talk to y'all next time. What's up, y'all? So I'm on the way to get my hair done. So yeah, I just get off of work. My appointment's at 6, so I might get over there early to see if she can do my hair early. So I'm gonna record when she do my hair so y'all can see how she installed the wig and everything. See, my hair is already pre-braided, so she ain't gotta worry about braiding it. She just installed in the frontal because I don't know how to do frontal. So yeah. So I'm about to go to my girl Kim. She's located in Columbia. I put her, like, if y'all want y'all hair done by her, if you stay in Columbia or something, I will put her link in the bio where you can book her service and everything. So yes, my girl is, she'll get you right. Just know that she'll get you right. I've been going to her since I've been in high school. So yeah. I'm about to head to Kim place and get my hair done. So I'm gonna record it. But in the beginning, y'all gonna see the unboxing of the wig, and then y'all gonna see me getting the wig installed in this video. So yes, have a nice day. So I'm here. Let's see. So y'all, I forgot to record her installing my wig. This is the final results, and this is the one that I got from Amazon, one that my sister brought me, and it is so cute. So I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna drop like little clippings of videos of me going out with my friend. They're gonna be Snapchat videos, okay? Me going out with my friends. We had girls' night, and how my hair was. I had it curled up, looking nice and cute and stuff. So I'm gonna drop them videos so y'all can see it, since y'all wasn't able to see when I had got it done. But it's very cute because I had flexi rotted and everything. But this is how the hair look. Let me get out the car so y'all can see the whole thing. This is how the hair looks. See it? Yeah. Y'all, look at y'all. But yeah, I'm about to go to work later. She's supposed to be calling me to see if she wants me to go to work. So I might take y'all to work with me. So we're going to see how this day go. And then I have class at 5:30. So I'll be going to class soon. No, I'm talking about soon, but later on today. And then what else I got to do today? I have to pick up my grandma medicine when I get out of class. I have to go all the way to Columbia to my mom's house just to get her medicine. So yeah, that is my day so far. But Thursday, I got some plans. So yeah, y'all might see what I do Thursday. Cause I got some big plans for me and my baby this year. So yeah, talk to y'all later. Girl, why you acting like that? Come open that door. Come. Girl is acting crazy. Let's go. Girl, why you being so fake? I gotta take your hair out. Come on, leave them lights alone. Do you pay a light bill? No. Come on. You do not pay a light bill, so don't turn my light on or off. What I say? Come on. Juliana. All right. Now, if I pop you, I'll be wrong. So stop touching my lights. Turn it off. Get over here. Now. Come on. Yeah. I'm leaving you tonight. I just wanna see you strip right now. Cause it's late. I just wanna see you strip. I'll take you down with it. I just wanna see you strip. Goddamn, you said for me. Goddamn, you said for me. Yeah, I'm at work now. Cause somebody finally wants to call me in. I should have said no. That's what I should have said. Yes. You would say no? No. You know I like money. You doing vlogs? Yeah. You gotta get it. Girl, I'm gonna tell you, I was about to bring them red shoes back. Wow. Because the thread started coming out of it. Sew it back up. I did sew it back up. Good thing my grandma had some red thread. Because y'all was gonna get them shoes back, y'all would have to run me some new pairs of shoes. You don't have water. I don't care. Cause the thread shouldn't have been coming out of them. And I love my little rainbow stuff, but I say, I know Rainbow about to cheat me out of my good old shoes. How much them shoes were? I think it was like, I forgot how much they were. 19? I need to get the black ones. No, we got some new sneakers came in. Where? Hold up. They pink and black. No, this one is white or something. White and orange. Hold up. Look at you, sleeping on that shit. Let me see. Let me find out you got on the jacket you've been dying to get. And you finally got the jacket, yeah, huh? I was like, I like these. You know, I love me some good off-brand shoes. Now, these are cute. I might just, hold up, what's this on the orange ones? I might get these. These are cute. And this the only size 11 too. Last, I might get those.
So you gonna get them?
Yeah, I might
You
get
ain't even look at the other one.
You said the other one's pink and black. I'm about to go get it. I like those. Keep your phone right here. I think it's be like 1 or 2 of those too. Oh, these are cute too. Yeah, these are cute. This would have went with the outfit I had.
The one you was looking for, the sneakers with the sneakers.
No, you remember I'm looking for some brown girl. I know where to get the brown sneakers from now. I gotta go. It's these new, I think they was New Balance. Is it 5? Oh, what's the new
270s?
I think it's 270.
270s is Nikes.
No, it's New Balance. I forgot the number.
5 something. I know what you talking
Yeah, they got some brown ones that match my outfit. I got to get them, and they like
about.
one.
The one you was trying to wear to the outfit?
Yeah, it's like
You
one.
ended up wearing?
I didn't.
What did you end up wearing?
I had wearing the pink outfit, and I had wore my pink sneakers with them. The all pink sneakers that I got from him. Yeah.
I want them orange ones, but I just can't find nothing to go with it.
I want them bright orange sneakers out here, but they don't have our size. They only got size. Somebody.
Do they have a 10 in it? I might can squeeze in the 10.
No, don't squeeze. You're gonna hurt the front of your toe.
No, it won't.
Don't squeeze it. I'm ready for them to get the olive green one.
Shoot. You ain't see all them house packs? You ain't see all the house packs?
It's like more vendors than house packs.
I mean, yeah, it could be. Because we got the vendors on both sides. Mm-hmm.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, kid, get the music rolling. Shit, you got vendors right here on the side.
I was gonna wait.
Oh, you working on it?
I was gonna wait and see what Shantae was gonna do with it. Cause they ain't brought all that shipment that day.
Yes, I do these vendors. I'm sure I'm gonna give me one of them lip gloss.
And your shoes.
I tell you, I'm getting them when they say live will start. I put my tops on the side.
I'm shit gonna be right back on the damn floor. No, you don't work but one day a week.
Man, don't touch my tops.
Shit.
I give me to hide them in the back like we used to.
Girl, no. I ain't hearing even know.
No, cause when I did used to do that, Nina never used to say nothing. She see my name was on it.
Yeah.
She asked me was I'm buying it, and I tell her yeah. She said, well, that's fine.
Listen, I was at another store. The store I was at, and that's how we had it. And she was like, "Oh no, we can't do it."
Tell me, Nina say that. Oh, then why she ain't never said that to me? Can I tell? Cause I always buy my stuff. That's why. But still, honestly,
we had to buy all our shit.
What the heck is these? These look.
Oh, they're gonna be cute once you get them out. I was like, what?
Let me see what this is. A doggone cardigan. I guess.
Everybody come up for their Western party.
The what?
Western party.
They came in today.
No. I mean, a lady came here today for it, but hers is in March. First week of March.
Mm-hmm.
I should do my party in the Western.
I need me an empty rack because I don't like putting stuff on rack with go backs on it. I should just get this rounder right here. Yeah, that ain't about to do. Ooh, back of my neck is throbbing. Who's doing kids? I work
One day.
Friday and Thursday. I mean Tuesday. That is not no one day. And I tell you, Fridays, 4:30 close.
Friday.
Huh?
You can do this.
Not this Friday, but my schedule always Fridays and Tuesdays. Look at the schedule. You will see it said Fridays and Tuesdays. Tuesdays we said 9:30 to 4:30, and then Fridays 4:30 to 8.
I don't recall.
Huh?
I don't recall.
Yeah, you keep on don't recall me. That's your problem right there.
I do not recall.
What
I need to give my boy one of these.
What a ticket get for this? $6.99. Oh, I'm gonna start bringing my own gun from the store, my other store. Cause we got tag guns. No, but we got them.
Why y'all got them?
I don't know. You asked them that. They was there before I got there.
Oh, yeah, you need to bring it up.
No, if I bring it, I'm the only one using it, and I'm taking it back. Cause y'all don't know how to take care of stuff. Just like the price, we got the price gun tag too. We got 2 of them things.
And you could just order another one. Y'all probably ordered nothing in a while.
I can order another one. Let me just go ahead and unpackage all these shirts. And then I need a trash bag. Huh? I'm not a rat send you my own days. Tuesday, because you act like you got amnesia. So 5, ain't I tell you I class at 5? Why you got me to 5?
What time you leave, Isheanawells?
It's 1:30. It's going one ear out the other. Yeah, see? I know it do. Time to get done with it. When Jaleesa come in, I'm walking out. If she come in early, I'm walking out. Well, Kia need to get it together. Huh? You will see. I said Kia need to get it together. Girl got amnesia. They ain't gonna worry me, honey. So, I'm unpacking some clothes. I'm about to price tag them. And stuff like that.
Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't phase me. Ain't being cocky, we just vindicated. Best believe that when we done this.